Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing Broken Bones. It sounds weird, but I'm getting forward to this. Here I am. Is the person there? Just jump down. This is going to be so exciting. Alright. 3, 2, 1, let's jump! Yeah! Careful, guys. Ooh! Guys, I break 51 meters. Oh, 51. Only 6 bones, bro. That's bad. That's so bad. That's so bad. My wrist! Guys, my wrist. My wrist is broken.
Oh, guys, make sure you guys subscribe and leave a like on the video. And comment down. I'll reach my video. Now let's go to that. For that shout out.
I'm just saying, guys, make sure you go to my brother's YouTube channel and subscribe to him too. Cause
capital C HARLI, no space, no space, capital S COT, only the C and the S in capitals, and it's only one T. And the guy with the orange dinosaur.
just saying, guys, that was actually so trash. I did a bad jump. Like, so bad. Alright, I'm gonna jump on the rocks. The rock. Oh, come on. Bro. 25 ligaments, 3 bones. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. I can do way better than that. I can do way better than that. And that's what I'm gonna show you. You guys are unique because God made you unique, and you gotta try whatever you want to try because yeah.
Oh,
That's better.
you sure it's better?
Sort
You
of.
should have more ligaments than me.
Woohoo! Look at this leg. He's gotten more damage than this one on his foot. Yep, definitely wrecked the brains on that one. The rocks are the best. You gotta trust the rocks. I mean, like they're good, but you gotta trust the rocks. They're good. So you gotta trust them. I'm gonna go over here and fall on the rocks. Ooh. Ouch. 23 brains. Ouch. Ooh, 27. Juicy. So juicy. That's how we do it, guys. This bone is broken more. That's just gonna keep breaking until it stops. That's your,
thigh.
yeah, I know it's your thigh. It's your, hamstring. Hamstring.
Hip.
Yeah, my hamstring is like, my hamstring snapped. My hamstring was snapped there, but, level 1, I guess.
Level 2.
Oh, level 2. Oh,
I'm level 17.
oh, nice. Oh, you're playing with me. Do I see you? Yeah, dude, my brother is playing with me, guys. Just saying, guys, please do not forget to subscribe to my brother's channel. And, so subscribe, yes. Wait, what am I?
I've been through bones so far. 116,
Hear that, guys?
121. Ooh, 126.
There we go, guys. Let's get in the juicy stuff. Ouch. 53 bones. That's how we roll.
My record was 160.
That's how the boys roll in this country. Australia. This is Australia. That was really bad. As I was giving my before, this is Australia. Let's do this. Do this for Australia. And then, yeah. Yeah. Australia is the best country ever. It's all the other countries. Shout out to Australia and all the other countries.
I'm confused.
Guys, my brother just got confused. Let's try to do the exact same thing. Charles, where did you fall?
Oh! I got magnetized.
Can you go to level 1? Because that's where I am. Can you please go to level 1? Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, my brother's joining me on level 1. Yeah. See how it goes. Ooh. There we go. Get into that juicy stuff. Oof. I just dropped. Ouch. 30 bones. Ooh, my foot is on my head. And then my other foot is just like you. Look at that position, Charles.
Oh, ow.
Yes, look at that position. Alright, I am here. I'm here. What's up, boys? I'm coming. Okay, guys. I'm just gonna go follow my brother, see where he takes me, because I'm excited. What? Yeah? Guys, my brother put something down there. What is that?
Oh, look at me fly. Look at me fly.
Woo!
Look at my speed.
Ooh, buddy. Whoa. Guys, we're just coughing for days. Jeez. Alright. Where are you taking me? Louder, louder. Louder, louder. Louder. Love is louder. Louder, louder.
Hurry up.
Is louder. So just where we that's the water, I guess. Guys, go up there. Can't go up here. Ooh. Or can we? Yes? No? No? Guess not. Oh no.
Where are we now?
Uh,
Yes, Mom.
guys, this is not working. No, he's so close to making up there.
Mom.
Okay. Come on. Get it up there. Come on. Yay, buddy! We're up here.
Oh, yeah.
Oh no. What we say? Guys, I was over there. Now I'm gonna drop. Ooh! 16 range, not bad. Ouch! Ooh, my blood went down there. That shoulder there. Can we buy a map, maybe? Can we? Let's wait. I reckon we can get. So, if we play, and then if we go to what's that? So there's Charles. If I fall like yeet, okay, just like that. Let me just okay, guys. So yeah, I'm falling. I'm dead. I'm done. They can't fix me. I broke too many bones. You know how it is. Days forever. If I get to the map, I think I can get to level 3. Cause I am I got this. I think I can wait. until 100 level 3. But you know, I can't skip it though, because if I skip this, I'm still gonna buy it. I can't just, it doesn't just automatically unlock. See, so if I have, let's say, 26 million bucks, I could buy this. But if I buy it, I'll have to buy all these ones. Yes, that's right. Even though you skip, you still have to buy them. But guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and have a great time. See you later, and oh no, I forgot one thing. Subscribe for the Titanic, because it's the best ship. Like this video. Click the notification bell so you get notified whenever I make a video. And thank you for everything you have done. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Yeah. And pray to God. Worship Him. Amen. Thanks, guys. Peace out.